So in this lecture, we'll be learning about uniform and non-uniform motions, right? If a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be moving with a uniform speed, and its motion is called as uniform motion, right? So what is important here? Equal distances, right? So let us underline it, equal distances in equal interval of time, right? Then the body is said to be uniform motion. And if we'll take the reverse of it, unequal distance in unequal interval of time, then this will be known as uniform motion, right? Such motions will be known as non-uniform motions, right? So why it is happening, right? Because maybe distance is unequal, or maybe maybe time was equal but displacement was unequal, right? Or maybe like body was, then it is said to be, right, body was having a non-uniform velocity, and the motion will be known as non-uniform motion. So these are due to some like difference of magnitude of distance, right, change in direction, or due to changes in both, right? So let us understand the example of uniform motion in a real life example. So let us write what are the examples of uniform motion. So let us write, right? So it can be anything, right? Let us take, there is a steady level flight of airplanes. So like in real life, when we say airplanes, right, so they move in a steady line, right? They have a cruising flight, right? So let us draw an aeroplane, right? So if you see this aeroplane, right, let us draw its wings. Let us draw the rough diagram. So if the height of the plane is not changing with respect to the sea level altitude, then it is said to be cruising, right? And this type of motion is known as uniform motion. Motion of a pendulum is also known as uniform motion, right? And there are a couple of other examples, guys. That is motion of a ship, right? If a ship is cruising, right, moving in a straight line, right? And also there is motion of earth, right? Motion of earth is like, this is also periodic motion, so this is also uniform motion, right? So all periodic motions are uniform motions, right? And a non-uniform motion is that an asteroid which is approaching earth, right? So asteroid keeps on accelerating, right? And it also changes sometime. It also on collision, it also changes its path as well. So movement of asteroid, bouncy ball, collision between two cars, like collision of cars. All these are the examples of a non-uniform motion, right? So this was all about uniform and non-uniform motion. Thank you so much.